How to download Musically app. So if you want to download Musically app, then you need to check your internet connection. And once it's stable, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store. And once it's stable, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search bar on the upper side and search for Musically. And after searching, here let me tell you one thing, that Musically may not be available in each and every region or each and every country. So it might not be available in some countries. So to download or install, you will have Musically app. So what you can do is you will get the app here. So if that app is available in your region, then here, for example, I'll be choosing this application just for an example. So if you have the Musically application, then you can simply tap on that install button. You will have the install button under Musically application. Tap on install and it will start installing. And after installing, you will have open button. You can simply tap on that open. And after tapping on that open, you can log into your account or you can create your account. So that's it. That's how you download Musically if it's available in your region. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.